Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Timmy the Creator, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how I arrived at this particular video you're watching right now through Google VEO 3. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So on my screen you can see that this is the 3D design on CLO3D of the agbada you saw on the video generated from Google VEO. So this is the 3D design. So I had a concept on my mind, so I took it to ChatGPT. So this is my prompt on ChatGPT. Actually, not my prompt. I told ChatGPT to refine my idea. So I just clicked on the VN and I started expressing what I want to generate on that video I did on Google VEO. So I said I want to generate a video on Google VEO, even though ChatGPT didn't spell that well. So I uploaded the 3 images of agbada. So I just had to like drop my idea for ChatGPT, and he said, "Got it. You want to create a refined and cinematic prompt that you can use to generate a video, e.g. Google VEO or another AI video." Okay, so it got the whole idea and the concept. So this is the prompt generated from ChatGPT, and this is it. So let me just do a split screen. I'm coming. So I'm going to bring my what is this? So coming. So this is it here. So this is my Google VEO, and this is ChatGPT here. So a confident African male model, luxurious agbada outfit on the uploaded design, walks down the fashion runway, elegant indoor fashion, showing a warm light on the end, seated at both sides. So this is the prompt refined by this is the refined prompt from my idea from ChatGPT. So I took this information, I just copied it, highlighted everything, copied it, and I pasted it here. But at first, I figured out that Google VEO only accepts one image as a reference. So it's either you're uploading a video, a 360 video of your outfit as a reference, or one picture as a reference. That's probably the front picture, which is quite better. So after copying and pasting this, I figured out that you can do a lot. You can put a lot in your prompt at the same time, not just the whole environment, but you can also put the kind of sound you want, and if you want a voiceover. So after making several mistakes and getting not the exact result I wanted in my chat, I had to like start another chat again on Google Gemini, that's using Google VEO. You get? So I started another chat. I think I have about 3 chats. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. So those are the error were coming frequently. So this last chat I did, or the third chat I did, was when I finally got the result I wanted. So let me just slide this back in. So this is the final prompt, and I said the confident man, blah blah blah, and the runway setting, and this is the runway setting here. Then the fashion show should take place in a modern inspire. So this is the environment prompt again, optional add-on by ChatGPT. So I copied this again and I pasted it, and I think you should have high end. The floor should the floor didn't reflect light, but there were patterns on the wall. The floor didn't reflect light, but there were patterns on the wall, and this is the patterns on the wall. We're not too accurate. So I did that. Then additionally again, I had to add a background sound. So I told ChatGPT to suggest an African sound I can use on Google VEO or use on my prompt to generate alongside with the video itself. So all these are not needed, because no matter the for the dimension, no matter the aspect ratio you put in the prompt, is still going to generate this landscape. Do you get? So it's left for me to now adjust it on my video editor as reels, that's as portrait videos. So that's just by the way. And also you can give me a type of background I can use for this particular prompt I generated, a background African sound that fits this prompt I generated for the video I want to use in Google VEO. Anyway, I use an audio for this, so the sentence, I don't know, it looks somehow. So ChatGPT gave me about 5, yeah, 5 or 4, okay, 4. So I read or scanned through them, and I felt like I think I used the traditional percussion, Yoruba percussion vibe and majestic this thing. So I copied that alongside with the this is it. So background sound should be traditional Yoruba drums with bata rhythms and shekere. And then when we play the coming, still loading, you can see. So, and that is just how I generated this from ChatGPT. So per video you want to generate on Google VEO, it is 8 seconds you can do. So if you have a lot of if you have a script or a prompt you want to use on Google VEO, you can just try to cut them out little by little and be sure that this particular prompt you are using on Google VEO is enough to come out in 8 seconds video. You get that by the time Google VEO generates this, it is enough to be compiled for an 8 seconds video. So you can also always split them out and take them to your video editor to join those videos together. So you can just generate 8 seconds video back to back using the necessary prompts for each 8 seconds video you want to use. So the maximum video I can generate from Google VEO is 8 seconds. So that's just what I'm trying to explain. So you have to be careful with the kind of prompt you are using and be realistic with what you want to get out from the 8 seconds video. So this is just how I did this. But then again, I'll be creating another tutorial video whereby I'll be doing another Google VEO. I'll be converting an image render or a video render from CLO3D, and I'll be converting it into an AI video on Google VEO. So I'll be doing that for the first time. So this is just more like a brief or a summary of how I arrive at this particular result. So you can just subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get my next tutorial video. So any error and mistake I face during this next video, you will see them through, and so that you can also not face that when you are doing your own too. So thank you for watching this video once again, and don't forget to subscribe.